Hey guys, this is Chris Harsha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my Morningfame review video. So the reason I decided to do this video for you is because I use this tool and I'm very happy with it. It's not perfect, but it really is helpful. So I wanted to give you a quick overview and tell you what the pros are and the cons are, in my opinion, of course. And you decide for yourself if it is worth for you to use it or not. So this is my dashboard right here. And on this side, you're gonna see, so is as CEO Pathway is the name of my channel. If I go here, if I click here, it takes me directly to YouTube. It gives me a quick overview of how my channel is doing. So I have today 319 subscribers and gives me an overview of how things are going. And then down here, it analyzes my latest 10 videos, how they did. So it's showing here that my channel is growing. That's nice, right? And gives me an overview of how things are going related to views, average view duration, likes, comments, and subscribers gain on average. So I have been gaining a lot of subscribers. That's really cool. I'm very happy about that. And then going down is going to give me an overview of the latest video, so how they did. So as you can see here, my Uber Suggest video did not go so well. It's saying here it's keeping pace. That means I'm still getting views, but not as many views as other videos that I have, like this one, this second one, this third one here. So some of my videos did better than others, right? So this is a good way to check how I'm doing and maybe and what I should focus on. Okay, so this is the first part that is part of what I do, what I look at when I come to my Morning Fame dashboard. And I like this part very much, but I wish, and this is my con for this area here, is that they did refresh this more often. So they only refresh this once a week. So every Thursday morning they send me a report. So this is from last Thursday. Looking today is Saturday, so it could be a little bit different. So I wish they did maybe like refresh twice a week or something, but it's only once a week. So that this is my only con for this section here. All right, so now we're gonna go to the keyword research session of Morningfame. Okay, so here we are. This is the second session. So we're gonna do keyword research here, and I picked already a word here, a keyword. So just to speed up a little bit this video, I don't want to distribute too long. So the keyword that I put here is how to blog for money. Okay, and I can look for something, a topic that I have in my mind, or something that I watched and for example, I watched a video on YouTube and I got inspired by that. I can just use the link here and it's going to give me the keywords that that video is going for. So this is really cool. But this is usually what I look for. This is what I look more often because I usually already have a topic in mind. And this is where I go then to do a keyword research. So if I go to how to blog for money, so this is my keyword that I'm going to choose. So let's go to step two. So on step two, it's going to give me some information about the keyword I picked. So as you can see here, how to blog for money, as you can imagine, F, 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 and A. So this is probably not a good cool keyword for me. And this is one of the positive things that I see on Morningfame, and this is one of the reasons that I'm using this tool, is because it not just analyzes the keyword, but you analyze the keyword uh, based on my channel. So as you could see, my channel is still small. I've been only working on my YouTube channel for maybe 4 months. So it's brand new. It's doing well, but it's still a brand new channel. I don't have many subscribers yet. So this could all actually be a good keyword for a bigger channel, but not for a channel like mine. So when it gives me FFF, it means that the chances are that if I use this keyword, I am not going to rank on YouTube. So that means that I'm not going to get a lot of views on my video. So maybe I should try something else. While this is a really good keyword in when you compare with volume of searches of this keyword, it would not be a good keyword for me. It gives me common keywords that are good choices, great choices for larger channels. This is probably falling right here on this side. And also gives me uncommon keywords that are great choices for smaller channels. Maybe I should be looking for something on this side here. But honestly, it looks like this keyword is not good for me at all. But I'm going to stick to it so we can just go step by step. But I want to show you how it goes from start to end, okay? And also gives me here some common hashtags that I could be using with that keyword if I pick that keyword, and also some uncommon hashtags that I could be focusing on, okay? And here it gives me the top ranking video for that keyword. So this guy here, uh, these are the keywords he's using. So it's really cool too. And also shows me similar videos that would be related to this keyword. So this is a really, really nice part of Morningfame. So let's just go with this keyword just for the sake of it so we can move forward. But in real life, I would not go for this, okay? All right, so let's just go to number 3, that is search. So I'm still sticking to how to blog for money. And now it's gonna give me an overview of my ranking opportunity for this keyword. So here it breaks down what every letter meant. And so the first F is for subscribers, the second one for views, for the third one likes and comments, and the third one for relevance. So relevance is the only one I score well, the other ones not so much. So it gives me here an average. So the average channel has about 63,000 subscribers. So I'm right here, right in the bottom here, as you can see. So I'm really small compared with the other channels that have videos using this keyword. So it would be another sign for me to maybe stay away from this keyword, but it does not stop me from moving forward. It is just like a heads up, right? Heads up, this might not be the good keyword for you, but if you want to go move forward, go ahead. But it gives me here, so grades are A to F, so this is the worst grade that I could get. And it gives me here that I should try to find a search term that I get at least a D for all 4 metrics. So if I get a D here, I have a better chance of ranking than where I have when I have Fs. Even if I have an A here, it still would still really be almost impossible for me to rank. Okay. And in my situation, in the situation for probably millions of channels on YouTube that are still small channels, we should aim for at least B for relevance. So I'm okay on that side here, but I'm not doing okay for the other ones. Okay, so let's just go move forward to step 4 with this keyword and say, wait a minute, I'm telling you that this is that the competition is too high for this keyword. Do you really want to go ahead? So yeah, so like I said, it doesn't stop me from moving forward. I'm still going to go to all the steps, but it gives me again a heads up of the competition is too high. Chances are this is probably not a good search term. So can't find a good search term. It gives me options here if I wanna go with if I want to search for something else. Okay. All right. So let's just continue to step 4. And here we go. So here I'm going to be optimizing my metadata to have the best chance possible to get a better ranking, to maybe try to rank my video using this keyword that we already decided and we already saw that is difficult to rank for. But let's see how these things work here. So it's telling me here that first of all, of course I would be using my keyword as part of my title. So here I just using my keyword, I achieve 40 or 40% possible for the relevance. And also I'm using here the same keyword for my part of my description. So I reach the top of what I can achieve for relevance. So I got my 20% achieved here. Of course, my description would not just be my keyword. I would be adding many other things here. I would be explaining about the video, and you guys are going to see this video because, of course, I'm going to be posting this video for you guys, and I'm going to have my description here, my final description, if you want to check it out. Okay, and also gives me here all the tags that I should be using for this video. So it really it helps a lot, right? Because we don't need to be guessing here what should be the tags that I'm going to be using for this video. It gives the tags right here, and I have 482 characters already taken. So if I won and I only achieved 23% of the tags of 40, so I would probably try to exchange some of these keywords for something else. So I would probably take some that are not helping me out here. It's giving me 0% increase on my achieved here, achieved tag. So I would probably remove this and to open more room here to include different tags. But this is a great way to start. It gives you a good way to hit the ground running, right? With these tags. Okay, and then so this is one part, and then also comes here and it's gonna give me the top videos that are ranking for that keyword. And in the last here, it gives me the video that I could have a chance to kick out of the rank here. So this is my gateway video where I could probably take this person out, but it would probably be very difficult already as we realized. But it just gives me this. So in other reason, it's to so you can look at this and maybe try to make your thumbnail. In this situation here, I would try to make my thumbnail stick. I stand out in the crowd, so I would avoid making thumbnails similar to this. So when I make a thumbnail that stands out in a crowd, I have a better chance, I have a better percentage of click-throughs and a better chance of having my video watched by people that are just scrolling down, right? So I would probably make a brighter color or something more interesting and more appealing to catch the attention of the viewers. Okay, so I could apply all this information directly to a video if I had the video ready, but I don't have as I'm making the video right now. So what I'd be doing is I would be saving this information, and later here I can just come to my save metadata and copy and paste this information directly to YouTube if I like. Okay? Alright guys, so this is what I have for you for this video. I hope you enjoyed. By the way, you can take advantage of a 30-day free trial for Morningfame. The only way you can join Morningfame is with an invitation. So I'm going to put an invitation code in the description of this video if you want to check it out. And you can use it for 30 days, see if you like it or not. And if you want to decide to move forward, it really is not an expensive tool. I think I pay like $4.99 a month, so it really is a bargain when I compare to how much I can get from this tool. I suggest that if you want to take your YouTube channel seriously, if your plan is to grow your YouTube channel, I would suggest you grab Morningfame as one of your tools. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming. Subscribe to my channel. Be safe, be good, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.